So hey guys, welcome back to the code box. So in previous video we have learned about DTL commands and DML commands, and now we are going to learn about DQL and DCL commands. So in DQL commands we use a select statement. So I have written here select statement. The select statement can be used for all the columns of the table, or it can be used for a particular column of the table. So the select statement I will show you by executing it. So you can see we have retrieved all the data from the table name employee, and also if we want a particular data, not all the data, then we can do that also. As you can see here, only name and country is being shown and not all the data is being retrieved from the database. So that's it for the DQL commands, and now we will see the DCL commands, that is the grant and revoke. So grant and revoke cannot be performed on this database because it's on local system, and we don't have a proper database. I am going to show you in further classes how to use grant and revoke for particular users, but for now we will leave it by only seeing syntax. So for grant, then you should put the operation that you want to give to the user, and then yes, grant select on employee to user 1. Yes, and I will also show you the revoke statement syntax. Revoke, insert on employee from user 1. So there is not much different in grant and revoke. So you can see the syntax of them are same, but you should use from in revoke, and grant you should use to. That's it, guys. So I will show you this execution in further classes. Let's go further, and let's now try to build a new database using the schema I am showing on the right side of the computer screen. Let's try to build it. So we are going to build this schema. Let's try it. So create database, and database name will be shop. Let's execute it. Yes. So we are going to revise all the commands that we have learned till now. Then let's see. Yes. So you can see our shop database has been created. Now let's use it. Use database. Sorry. Use shop. So execute. Yes. So you can see the shop has been converted into bold letters. That means we are inside shop, and now we can create table inside shop. Create table. So we'll create first customer table. Yes, create table customer, and then inside that ID, then ID should be uh, int, and we will give it primary key. So primary key is used for the unique uh, set of elements because we are going to link this column to the another column of the table. As you can see here in customer, the order table has been linked. So the order table is linked to order details and product so that the data from the other table can be retrieved into this table. So because of that only primary key and foreign key are used. So we have given ID. After that ID, we will do it first ID. After that first name, varchar, and we will give it 50. And after that last name, varchar 50, and after that email varchar 50. So why I'm writing it's not a specific number, I am just writing it because there is no name greater than 50 characters, so I am writing it as 50. There is no particular reason behind it. So now I am going to execute it. You can see the query has been executed successfully. Now we will reload. Yes. So all the attributes are there in the customer table of order. Hmm. So guys, we are going to make a order table now. Order. So guys, we are going to make order table now. Order, order, and then inside that, uh, order underscore ID int primary key, hmm, comma first ID. So we should first ID now. First ID int, and after that order date, and order date would be in date data type. And now we shall this line should be written if the foreign key is involved in a table. Foreign key and first underscore ID. First ID reference to customer table. Reference to customer, and then cust ID. So that's it, guys. So that's it, guys. And now we should uh, execute it. So you can see the execution has been completed. Now we have two tables. One is customer and other is order. So now let's create another table. The table name order details. Sorry. Create table order details, and now we can write inside it uh, hmm, order id order id. So you should write same as the order table, as the primary key of order table is coming here as a foreign key, so you should write the same name. And then after that, and the data type is int, then comma, then product id int, and primary key, and comma, and after that you should write quantity. So we are following the same schema as in the image you are seeing it. Int, yes, that's it, guys. And after that, foreign key reference, foreign key cast. No, it's not cast, it's hmm, ord order id, and after that reference to order table, orders table, and inside that uh, order order id id. That's it, guys, and we are going to execute it. And now insertion of the element and creation of the further schema, we will do it in another video. Thank you guys for watching.